Is your 1998 Corvette key fob not working? Don't worry, most issues can be solved with a few simple steps. First, the most common culprit is a dead battery. The fob uses a CR2032 battery, easily replaceable by prying open the case with a small screwdriver or coin. Ensure correct polarity when inserting the new battery. If a battery replacement doesn't work, the next step is resyncing the fob with your Corvette. Also, check for corrosion within the fob, especially if you live in a humid area. Clean gently with a contact cleaner if needed. If battery replacement and cleaning don't solve the problem, reprogramming might be necessary. This process involves erasing the old codes and assigning new ones. Access the body control module through the driver's door module or a diagnostic port. You might need an aftermarket programmer, available from retailers like Keyless Ride or Corvette Central. Follow the programmer's instructions carefully to sync the fob. Modern apps and OBD2 scanners can also assist with this process wirelessly. If you're uncomfortable with this, a professional mechanic can help, but DIY methods can save you considerable money.